Hi guys, this is Vetrivel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make something different which I have done never before. It's kind of tiny commercial which I have inspired from a YouTuber named called Daniel Schiffer. He got inspired from Austin Pot. Right now I got inspired from Daniel Schiffer. Let's see how the video gonna come out. This is inspired video. Of course there will be very similar shots. Still I want to make something unique in my own way so that you can take away something from this video. I felt if I talk little more, YouTube might take you to some other video. Let's get into the video. For the first shot, I have taken ballpoint pen with the refill. I have inserted this small tiny needle in the back of the refill. Heat it up a bit to make it more tight so that it won't move forward and backward. Then again I'm going to put it inside the pen. I'm going to place it in this way and roll the sellotape. Reason for doing all this stuff, just to shoot the Chocos in as many angles as possible. Later I'm going to drag all the footage into After Effects. Then I'm going to spread it all over the screen, similar to this. At last I'm going to mask the needle and remove the green screen to get this shot. For the spinning shot I have used the drill machine. There are multiple options to get this shot. I just want to use this to get something because I'm not using this for 6 months. Even we can achieve this shot using stop motion. I think I have got enough shots. I'm gonna scale it on Premiere Pro and remove the green screen. For the third shot, I'm also gonna use the same technique which Daniel Schiffer has used. It's nothing very simple. Just place the box on the stand and put sellotape on the back side. If you haven't checked out his channel, you can get the link in the description. Yeah, now it's perfect. Once we finish this shot, we have to move to the next where Chocos explode from the box. One of the most difficult tasks in this shot, not actually the shot, collecting Chocos from the floor. Finally, I'm gonna compile all the good shots and remove the green screen. And also I have mirrored the Chocos which is in air to make it more cluster. Yeah, finally we have achieved this shot. At present I don't have any other backdrop, so I have to end up shooting everything on this green screen. Shooting everything in green screen, it's not an easy task. There will be a lot of post-production work, but still I want to, make something decent work. It's just an attempt to bring the best from what we have. Right now it's time to choose the background. I'm going for complementary color. So I'm gonna create two color matte. One is in light blue and other one dark shade. Then I'm gonna mask the center portion of the top layer. I'm going to add feather and adjust the shape of the mask till I get this look. Then it's time to shoot all the tempting shots. That's it. Before signing off, I just want to share you a few things. I was into travel filming. This is COVID situation. Unfortunately, we can't travel anywhere at this moment. So I thought of making something unique. I ended up watching Daniel Schiffer video. I thought of making it and finally I have made it. It took me 4 to 5 days to finish this project. I hope you all enjoyed watching this work. If you like this video, subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Wait for my upcoming video.